chaps. The universe gifted me this marvellous contraption. In order for me to make trip sheets. Oop. Just practicing. And then you do it crossways, you know, anyone who's made trip sheets before. You've got to hold it though with both hands so it doesn't do that. But the universe gifted me that contraption. I need one of them, a heavy duty sewing machine. It's not a Singer, it's a SAVIKA. I don't know if they're even more sought after or not, but it was in the back alley, and it's an old school wheelie one. Nice, gotta say. Look, proper gypsy. You can make trip cards out of trip cards where people can rip bits off the card. It's perforated, yeah. If you understand what I'm saying. Good. Otherwise you can always use one of these, which have been used in the past plenty of times, I've got to say. There you go. There it is. Nasty. And a ruler. Can't kind of do the same thing. But a sewing machine is much better than one of them, because they're really good for weapons, actually. Oh, imagine like soaking each needle in something and then rolling it up a person's face or down their neck, just scraping them with it. It doesn't scrape, it'll roll. Yes. Right down your fucking face. That hurt. Anyway, got a needle. I've got any thread, but I've got paper. Make some trip sheets and sell them on eBay. I'm prepared, you know. Well, they're prepared, ready prepared for whatever you want to do with them. Frame them as artwork or use them for something else, which they should be used for, if you know what I mean. Anyhow, you bunch of sluts. I know you are. Don't fucking worry about it. Don't try and say you're not. I will catch up with you shortly.